my channel. My name is Leslie. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. It means so much to me when you guys subscribe to my channel. If you're not new, hey girl, welcome back. So today I wanted to do a vlog. I've been putting together short clips here and there, and sometimes I forget to make intros, and then I'm editing them like right now and I realize, hey girl, you didn't even make an intro, you just kind of started filming. Today is Sunday and I just got ready and made some content. I just released these mini travel sizes chamois, and it's going to be like a 5-pack, the YOLO pack, and I'm so excited. It is all of my chamois in a travel size, that way you can take them anywhere you want. If you want to shop my chamois, don't forget to look down below. My links will all be there. You can shop my candy. I also sell gummies, enchilados, and chamois, but I'm so excited about this. Already like dinner time, so since it's the weekend, I felt like eating out, and my husband loves these Philly cheesesteak sandwiches. We also got some fries. Definitely not eating the healthiest today, but it's okay because I had a really bomb leg day and I feel like I can use the extra calories today. So who did you bring on your road trip with you? Huh? Who did you bring on your road trip? You brought Buzz and Woody? So cute. You guys, I forgot to start recording when we got to our Airbnb because honestly I was irritated and grouchy and I was tired and hot, and there was a lot of mosquitoes out. We're staying in a little RV for the weekend, or just for the night actually. We just barbecued outside. We made some little fajitas from H-E-B, baked beans, and I bought this mac and cheese bowl. Also made an onion. We're drinking it up.
Showing that we don't trust nobody.
What is it? See this? So I can show them outside. Love all the fireflies, you guys. They're so cute. You can see them out here. Fill up, Lysol everything, and I just put this blanket on top, and our blankets and our pillows. Is it yummy?
Roku.
I know, I saw that. Is it yummy? Say hi, guys.
Yeah. Hello.
Good morning, you guys. We are getting some apples for Malachi for breakfast because we gotta get out of here by 10. You guys, imagine waking up to this very morning. We are checking out getaway weekend in our little RV. Guys, say good morning. We are heading back to the city now, and then we're heading home. It's so peaceful and beautiful out here. Like seriously, this morning I opened the door and it was just like so still, but I want to take y'all down now that I can show y'all what it looks like. Leave that alone. Thank you. Come on. I can't see you. Wow! Come here. So beautiful out here. Okay, come here. Say cheese. So we stayed in that little RV over there. It's nice and cute. Come on. And my husband was so creeped out by that little, I don't even know what that is, but there's a sign. My husband's so creeped out by that, you guys, because he's like, there's a sign that says help in there. And I'm like, And there's like a blanket in there too. That's so scary. And then at night, our RV was like moving back and forth, like rocking. Hey, get over here. Don't go in there. You guys, can y'all see that help sign? Help. Who's this fine baby daddy? And I love the hills over there. I love Texas so much. It's so beautiful. I wish, you know, obviously we could move somewhere else like Colorado or Washington. That would be my dream. But Texas is just so beautiful as well. There's hills. Packing up right now. Pack up. Why don't you? I think that you're my shy co-host. Did you see that? Wow, look at that. So beautiful. Wow, awa. Happy Sunday, you guys. I remembered I needed to get the camera so I can vlog for you babes. I'm making myself a coffee and I just got ready for the day. Run all of our errands that we usually run on Saturdays, pick up groceries, smoothie life, you know, the whole nine. Take some pictures, content pictures for my Instagram. I got this really cute dress from this boutique on Instagram. Get ready, you guys, because I was also on my period this whole week and it makes me so emotional. When my cycle comes, like I feel completely back to normal. A little too sharp looking right here for me. I don't like it that sharp. The whole week I was like out of it. I didn't work out. I didn't do anything. I did my makeup a couple of times. It was just like super minimal makeup, you guys. I didn't do the lashes and the whole thing. So today I wanted to take pictures for that boutique. I want to try shooting 2 looks today. So I was like, let me go ahead and just get ready so I can feel good. I like myself again. Prioritizing doing things that make me feel good. Getting ready, dolling up and looking cute. Vlogging for you girls. Like that makes me feel really good. So you guys, these are from Yvette on here on YouTube. If you know who Yvette is, she is a bomb. If you don't know, you better know. I will link her YouTube channel somewhere here, but she has her own brand now and I bought these lashes to support her. It's called Who Is She? And lately I've been obsessed, I think I already mentioned it, this Too Faced Born This Way eyeshadow look, and it's just neutrals but so pretty. What I've been loving and obsessing over lately is this eyeliner. It's like a metallic, considered an olive color. It's called Golden Olive Shimmer and it is so pretty, you guys. I don't know if you can see it. Notice this makes my brown eyes pop so much. Oh, I like to rim my eyes at the top and then I will do it also on my waterline if I want like a really smoky look. And today I do, so I'm gonna go ahead and add it here. And this just gives like a really cute smoky look. For my lips, I'm gonna just put gloss right now, or this hydrating oil by ColourPop. I need to give me another one because I'm literally out. This is called the Luxe Lip Oil. Feel really nice on my lips. Hydrating, not sticky at all. I got some stuff from Shein for the colors I have planned next. Fall is coming, so the colors that I'm gonna be shooting are like this rust color and a chocolate brown. This is from Bliss. They sent this Pore Vanishing Toner. And then this is a dress I'm gonna be styling right now. Or today. It also comes with this clutch and this cute little hair piece. So I'm gonna be doing silver jewelry because this has silver on the dress as well. I don't know how I'm gonna feel about that. I'm scared it might show a little too much because I am shooting the color yellow right now, and I'm also a little afraid that that dress might show a little too much with the slash. My vision for this shoot is I want to get some yellow roses and use the roses as also to cover a little bit if I feel like it is showing a little too much, and then the yellow is gonna incorporate into my yellow theme. Guys, I don't know if I shared with you or not. I'm actually needing a new body wash, and I was like, you know what, let me step out of my comfort zone because I always tend to go for body washes that are pink on the outside. And I was like, I would not normally go for something orange. One was called Sweet Honeysuckle by Soft Soap. I'm really happy that I stepped out of my comfort zone because this smells so good. I'm in love with the scent of this soap and it doesn't leave me dry. I also picked up this shaving gel because I was out and I saw that it was like yellow and orange, and I was like, this is perfect for my Instagram theme. And I took a picture. I'll post it here. I think it came out really cute. I'm about to shave my legs right now. I'm gonna give myself a little pedicure because my feet, I took off my nail polish last night, and I'm like, it's time to, like, you know, shape your toes, give yourself a little love on the feet. Hey guys, we are on our way to pick up our groceries and pick up some lunch at Tropical. I just put our order in right now. I think I'm the only one that got food, me and Kai. My man is not hungry. He's still camera shy, guys. Alright you guys, so we just got done shooting our pictures for this really cute dress. Made it work and the pictures came out really cute with this really pretty flowers my hubby got for me. Say hi guys! Kai gets shy all of a sudden for some reason, but we are at H-E-B right now. My hubby's back there loading our groceries up in the back. So we just got home, you guys, and I changed back and I got my little bucket with pine salt. Oh, I need a little rag. I'm washing all of our clothes and, well, all of our bed sheets. Really good. Like, I love bread and butter pickles so much.
I would like to thank Jenny Humphrey. Money coming, money go. I've been at it on the low. Trapping out a while live. I can see the leaders doing less. We talking plans and maybe seeing you. Pull up on you, let me scoop. Nobody here but me and you. Got a little ring to it, turn a thing fluid in the cool. Boy, you look, I know it's real. I'm on my emotions. I've been really getting feel. You know why I'm here. Don't act like you don't know how I feel. But let me tell you what you mean to me. Slide on me for that mean dude. Ride with me when the moonshine, sipping moonshine to the new sky. Say's toasted and be raised soak in the raincoat. Hit the waves quota, I be flossing. I be locked in, was lost here. All that turned me to a target. Plotting on me, I be cautious.
I literally have just been working, deep cleaning all morning. And then, like I said, I was selling stuff online. And I decided to have this super quick lunch. I've never had this soup from H-E-B before. It is the green chile chicken soup. And it smells really good. But I tasted it and it did need a little bit of salt. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.